Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of a low messy bun. Right now I am brushing my hair. I just got out of the shower. I blow dried it a lot, so I'm brushing it quite a lot because my hair is really thick and hard to brush whenever it's wet. So I got it as dry as I could. And right now I'm just brushing it and brushing it until it's completely brushed. And I'm going to do this, and now I am just gonna, but since we're here, get an elasticy bun, like one of those little elasticy sort of sorry, let me move that for you. First let's just get an elasticy sort of band and to put our hair up with, but I'm still brushing. But we'll get an elasticy band. I have bangs, as you see, so this is gonna be a little hard because I have bangs. But we're just gonna grab an elastic band right now, real quick, before we get into it, while I'm brushing my hair. A lot. And a lot. And a lot. Sorry. Okay, now to the interesting part. We got our elastic band. Right now, I am just going to, get my hair up and sort of first I'm trying to get it up, which is kind of hard for me. I've got it right now, holding it in sort of ponytail, and I am just going to try brushing it. I'm not very good, as you can see, but yeah, you can see I'm not that good with a brush. But I've got it sort of in a teasy way a little bit. But I'm just going to get it up. I'm going to flip it down real quick. I thought, yeah, I'm going to flip it down. I'm going to try and get it so I can get it near the back of my head so it's a little bit low. Make that. And I'm going to put my elastic sort of headband around it. And then I'm going to, well, yeah, let's get that elastic band around it. And then I'm just going to try pulling it through a little bit, well, all the way. And then try to get it up in a sort of bun. Put it around again. And there, it's in a low bun. I think it's pretty good. And there you go, an easy bun. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.